Welcome to Easy Garage Door Repair, where we blend functionality with style. Today, we're diving into a design trend that's making waves in home aesthetics, a white house paired with a black garage door. This bold contrast is more than just a visual statement. It's a choice that combines timeless elegance with modern appeal. Black and white is a classic color combination that transcends trends. It's celebrated for its simplicity, versatility, and the striking contrast it creates. Whether your home is modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, a black garage door can elevate your exterior, adding a touch of sophistication and enhancing curb appeal. Opting for a black garage door offers more than just aesthetic appeal. These doors are durable, often showing less dirt, and where compared to lighter colors, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. Their versatility means they can complement a wide range of architectural styles, making them a smart, long-lasting investment for your home. To make the most of this stylish combination, consider a few key design elements. Balance is crucial. Pair your black garage door with other black accents like shutters, window frames, or a front door. Texture and material also play a role. Sleek, matte finishes give a modern vibe, while wood grain textures add a rustic touch. And don't forget lighting. Proper illumination can enhance the look of your black garage door, making it a standout feature day and night. Whether you're aiming for modern minimalism with clean lines and simple shapes, or rustic charm with decorative hardware and wood finishes, a black garage door can adapt to your vision. It's equally at home in an industrial setting with metallic accents, or in a traditional design with panel detailing and classic landscaping. To keep your black garage door looking its best, regular maintenance is key. Clean it regularly with mild detergent, inspect for any signs of damage, lubricate moving parts, and touch up paint when needed. These simple steps will help preserve its beauty and functionality for years to come. A white house with a black garage door is a bold, stylish choice that can transform your home's exterior. At Easy Garage Door Repair, we're here to help you achieve this stunning look. Contact us today for expert advice and professional installation services in Houston, Texas. Subscribe to our channel for more home design tips and garage door solutions.